Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 4. We are from Group 4. Wants to presentation the material about variables and literature review. And I, Mas Amir Rizky, as a moderator. Nesa Modelia as second speaker. Rizky Meliza as the fourth speaker. And Trinindi as third speaker. Okay, I will explain the first material. Next slide, please. Okay, I will explain about the definition of research variables. According to Sugiano 2015, the operational definition of research variable is an attribute or nature or value of objects or activities that have certain variation that have been determined by researchers to be studied and the drawn conclusion. So according to Hodge and Farhadi, according to this opinion, variables are defined as attributes or objects that have variation between objects and other objects. And according to Bismamurti, the definition of variable is a phenomenon that has a variety of values and variation in can be measured qualitatively and quantitatively. Next slide, please. Okay, this is also the definition of research variables according to Kidder. Variable is a quality in which the researchers learns and draws a conclusion from the research process. And the last one is according to Sokijatmojo 2002. The variables contain an understanding of the size or characteristic processed by members in a group that are different from those of other group as well. So a variable is something that is used as a feature trait that is obtained from research on a certain definitional concept. For example, the education, age, genes, occupation, knowledge, and others. Okay, that's all for me. For the next speaker is Nesa.
Okay, thanks to moderator. I will explain about characteristic of research variables. Characteristic of research variables according to Widoyoko 2012 in a variable study has three special characteristics, namely having a variation in value, distinguishing one object from another in one population, and can be measured. But the first is variables have varying values. Because variables distinguish one object from another in a population, variables must have varying values. For example, of a population living in a particular area, the type of job or profession is not a variable if everyone in that population has the same profession or occupation. And then the second is variables distinguish one object from another object. One object can be members of a population because they share the same characteristic. Although the same object in a population can still be distinguished from each other in variable. For example, the student population consists of members who have one characteristical similarity, namely student. In addition to the similarities among the students, there are differences in the term of age, religion, gender, motivation to learn, and so on. These differences are variables because they have the nature of distinguishing between objects in the student population. Okay, that's all from me, and I give it back to the moderator. Thank you.
All right, thanks, Nesa. For the next speaker is Nindi. Nindi, time is yours.
Thanks to moderator. Okay, the last characteristic of research variable is variable must be measurable. Quantitative research requires the result of research that are objective, measurable, and always open to be tested. Variables are different from concept because concept cannot necessarily be measured, while variable can be measured. Variable is the operationalization of concept, according to Buma 1993. For example, learning is a concept and learning outcomes are variables. Students are a concept and the number of students is a variable. Thus, the data from research variables must be stemmed in behavior that can be measured and observed. For example, learning achievement is the number of correct answers produced by students in doing a test. Next slide, please. The next is about variable form. According to Sugiono 2016, there are 5 forms of research variables, namely independent variable, dependent variable, moderator variable, interventing variable, and control variable. So in general, the form of research variable are divided into 5 kinds. Meanwhile, according to Sutejat 2020, explained that the context of educational research, it focused on two form of variable, namely the dependent variable and independent variable. Okay, that's all from me. I give it back to moderator.
All right, thanks, Nindi. And for the last one is to email. To email time is here.
Okay, thanks to moderator. I will continue explain the variable forms. First is dependent variable. Dependent variable is a variable that can stand alone, is influenced by independent variables, and it is the main concern of research according to Dona 2018. And according to Prativi 2017, this dependent variable is denoted by the letter Y, and there is only one dependent variable. So dependent variable is the only one variable that is the main concern of research that can stand alone or influenced by dependent variables, and in research is symbolized by the letter Y. Okay, next, independent variable. The independent variable is a variable that can stand alone and affect dependent variable either positively or negatively. And according to Prativi 2017, there are many independent variables and are usually denoted by x1, x2, x3, and xn. So the independent variable is a variable that affects the main variable or dependent variable either positively or negatively, and there is not only one but many independent variables, so that it can be symbolized by x. And in conclusion, between the dependent and independent variables, there are a causal relationship and mutually influence each other so that choice can be made. Okay, I think that's all for me. Thank you. Give it back to moderator.
Okay, thanks to email. That's all our presentation today. So for you guys who want to ask a question, just type your name on the chat box. All right, I see no one want to ask a question. All right, that's all from our group. Sorry for the other mistakes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.